Yo, what is up, guys? It's Lava Play Gaming here. Today, we are going to play War Robot. I'm going to be actually going on, just gonna focus on ready to the plasma, the Shotgun Griffin. Hold on, I can't catch my breath right now because I just got to a new house in Hawaii. This is the island. I'm on the island where Honolulu International Airport is. This is just a modern house. The house interior looks like basically a hotel lobby. There's like inside the house a little pond with like 4 fishies in it. I think they're golden. I don't remember. We have our own private beach. We have our balcony. We have the second floor. We even have a terrace. Right now, I'm on the couch. So no, not the Shotgun Griffin. Right now, I'm going to be focusing on the half shotgun and half death button Griffin. I think I built this build for taking down fusions or energy shielded bots for like an Ancelot. Take down the energy shield with the shotguns, deal damage with the Orc and Pinata. They're really low leveled. I don't know if they're gonna perform well. I need to upgrade this to level 12. I'm trying. It's kind of hard though. So this is my full death button, the half shotgun, the half death button, which we're gonna do on a Magnum Thunder Leo. And of course the new Leo design. Of course with the new design. Looks lit. I think I like the new design. We have the mummy, the laser changes. The koi is my favorite design. It looks lit. Come on. It looks like some kind of falcon right over there in the shaded spot, like the fish thingy. I don't know. And last we have the plasma griffin. I'm trying to get. Actually no. I'm just. Wait. So let's just enough with the talking. Let's just go into the main round. We are going to be focusing on the half shotgun and half death button. But you might see some other robots because the half shotgun griffin. Okay, I accidentally picked the wrong robot. This thing has the Orkin Mark II. Of course, we have a Haichi and a Rhino. Everyone's using rhinos. Is there like a rhino sale or? I don't know. I just had 2 rhinos on my team, 3 rhinos on the enemy team. Some other rounds. This one we have 1 rhino on our team. He's AFK. Yeah, the guy who's supposed to be getting the most beacon is AFK. Great. The Griffin is only like 7 or 8 or 6. I think I never upgraded this one. Or was it 8? I don't know. Anyway, it's kind of low leveled, my stuff. Everyone's using like Volga batteries. Is his shield already broken? Is that his shield broken? No. Damn. That rhino dies really fast. Beacon rush? No, domination. Let's just go ahead and get the mid beacon right off the bat without getting seen by that fury. Jump into the beacon. Hope I make it. Please. No! Dang it. Dang it. We're just gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Wait. No. Oh, we got the mid beacon. Why is he at our base? Seriously. Jump towards him. Okay, he got our beacon, our home beacon. Our team can just try and kill him. He has really good cover of my Orkins. There he goes, coming out into the open. Is that a while I'm filming. Is my voice going out? I think so. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. It's just getting 400-meter range and then jump. Bye, have a great time. Let's try and get him, deal as much damage as we can before we die. Now, the one I told you guys I'm gonna do, half shotgun, half Orkin Pinata. Or DB, that's button. He's still AFK! Seriously? Can he not move? Bruh. Oh, and by the way, I just got Fortnite on my PC. My name is, I'm gonna admit, TVNR Lava Play. As you guys know, I am a very, very big fan of custom plays. So I just put the TVNR in front of my Lava Play, my YouTube channel. Anyway, I just started it. I don't know how the controls work. I need to study on that part. Maybe. Ow! Hey! You know what? Let's get him range. 300-meter range. Alright, he's in. He's in for it! Let's go! Boom, 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 boom. Fire. Okay, he got a big one. Is that Dragoon? I am getting wrecked. Seriously. Oh, that's cool. Someone's here! Seriously, he keeps coming. Guys, let's get him. We're walking the same speed. So slow. The Leo is kind of a lot bulky. Tank. I like the Leo, but it's kind of slow. Yeah, a flipping ad. And there we go. We have the moving glitch. Jump. That's the wrong jump. No! I didn't mess up my jump. I would have gotten some kills. Hey, what's wrong with my stuff? That is the Dragoon guy. He's gonna try and kill me. Or the Carnage. Yeah, the Carnage is getting wrecked. I can't kill a Lancelot because I got energy, not rockets. But I promised you guys a half shotgun, half Griffin, half death button Griffin video. So that means I'm pausing the video and resuming on the next round. See you on the next round. Alright, we are in our hangar right now. Don't know what to say. We are going to jump in for free for all. I'm going to. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I did record it. I told you guys I'm going to do a end of the month special opening chest one. I did record it with the green keys. I have it in my phone. But it's gonna take a few years for me to make that video because I'm gonna do it. Right now I did the green key. End of this month, which is August, I'm going to do the red keys and then film it all together, make a giant video, and then upload it. It's gonna take a while. That one to come out. If we hit 50 subscribers, I will put in my face cam. If you guys want to see my face cam, then make sure to subscribe and then hope that we get 50k subscribers. If we get 10k, I'll do a special video of maybe our first live stream on maybe, you know what, let's just do it 5k. Every time I hit 5k, when we get to 5k, I will do our first live stream. Or no. I'll do it when I feel like. And then you guys talk in the chat. Maybe if you guys want to see a build that you guys want to see, then just ask me and then I'll do it if I can. If you guys tell me to do like a Dragoon Carnage, I can't. Number 1, I don't have a Carnage. Number 2, I don't have 2 Dragoons. But if you tell me to do a Echo Shield and 3 Orc Inspector, I might be able to do it because I'm saving up my coins for this event. Right now I have a lot of coins I saved up. I'm gonna use them all on the Spectre. When the Spectre one comes out, I might be able to do it. If you guys tell me to do a Tauron Spectre, I have 4 Taurons in my hangar. There's 2 of them on the Plasma Griffin. Then there's number 1 more Tauron. And then there's 1 more. It's level 1. If you guys tell me to do a Magna Redeemer Leo, I can't do it. I don't have a Redeemer. And I'm not gonna get the shock train thingy. 4.1, that happened like a few months ago. Alright, let's jump into free for all. I'm going to show you guys. Oh, we got Shenzhen. Is that Shenzhen? I don't know the map name perfectly though. Alright, let's jump in. The robot we're supposed to showcase. I'm supposed to showcase. They always spawn in late. Seriously. He's taking damage. Might be a free kill for me. He's very, very close to me. He doesn't even know I'm here. Of course I'm gonna get ambushed. Well, let me just snap that kill right over here. Hello! Boom, 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 boom. Got him! Now, that Ansel Magnum Leo is gonna be an absolutely perfect showcase for this build to work. But that guy with the Death Button Griffin is coming up. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, he's just a TV! That's a free kill! Get over here! Come on, come on, come on. One more shot. Come on, move, move, move. Come on. One more shot. Did I get him? Yes! 2 kills! Look up here. Yay! Alright, let's just do our free-for-all with the death button. That guy would be a nice showcase for the shotgun death button shotgun griffin. I'm stammering a lot. I don't want to stammer. Sorry. Take down his shield. That should do it. Then, how long is it until for someone to use a Thunder Carnage? A Tharnage. How old is that thing? The day of the Carnage is gone. I could just take out my Plasma Griffin and kill him, but my DB Griffin can't do it too. He has Thunders. He wants me to get around the corner so he can deal as much as damage he can. Well, I know that. I'm not doing it, okay? Seriously, I'm not following you, but he got so close. And I'm not jumping into his shield. He has Thunder, not Zeus. That means I might just die in like a few hits. He's actually running away. Oh my gosh. You know how much the Carnage sucks, actually? Seriously! That was a free kill for me! And he just destroyed himself! Bruh, that's not cool! Oh! He's coming in with a stronger shield! Come on! We both have no shield. So I might just be able to go over there and snag double kills. No, not happening. Enemy 3 is rising up. He is the Magnum Ansel Leo. That thing. I'm just gonna pretend I don't know he's there. Yeah, he's there. I'm gonna get in cover. Try to get into my splash radius, actually. I might be able to drain that shield. With my splash damage, look at that. That shield's going down. Hey, what's up? Alright, he's dead. Bye! Alright, that was a kill. Now he's mad at me. Oh, I'm gonna get him. He's like that at me, and I'm like, cool. Get me if you can. Pretty confident. Oh, that's an absolute free kill. Come on, get over here. Can I hit him? Can I hit him? No. No. I'm not gonna get the full damage on him. Is he coming towards me? No. Actually, wait. Is he? He's coming towards me! Oh, come here, boy! Get over here! Woo! That's a kill. Aww. He's out of my splash radius. I'm gonna annoy him so much. Oh, if you don't come in 300-meter range, no, I'm not coming. He's like, damn, I hate you. He's probably calling me a chicken in real life. Yeah, he has full aim on me. Alright, let's just bait his fire. Alright, oh! Get wrecked! Get wrecked! You just got baited, bruh. Alright, so let's just get in my splash radius. Alright, we can't hit him. Let's just bait our shots. Woo! Zeus fired. J fired. How did I take that damage? Pixana, can you tell me how I just took that damage? Seriously? We are having a super duo 1v1. He is super mad at me. Let's see if he falls for it again. Alright, Zeus firing. And then where's the trebuchet? Come on. Woo! Ah, dang it! Let's just get in cover. Like so. And then I really hate these ads popping up. Is this a Mark II organ? Yes. Bait his fire around the corner. Baiting him. Or just getting closer. And then. Oh! Oh yeah! Then that guy's gonna finish him up. Is that a Haichi Orcan? No. Thank God it's not a Haichi Orcan. You know what? Getting killed by him? No. I'm coming! Kill me! Please, kill me. Thank you! And that's why I'm able to keep my first place spot. Now he is a Fujin. And I am a Plasma Griffin. That's an absolute free kill. Why is he putting his shield up when I have Plasma? Hey, buddy. What's up? If I was a Fujin, I would run away. Hey, buddy. Hey! What's up? That's an absolute free kill. He can't shoot me, I can. Huh? Alright, he respawned. He's super mad at me. Right? Anyway, he's in 300-meter range. Not knowing who your enemy is, don't jump in. He's probably a death button griffin. Nope, he's the same plasma. Is he a plasma? Hey! Oh, he got ace instead of magnet. nothing. Hold on, my aunt's here. 왜요? 아, 유튜브 상영 중이라서. 아, 유튜브. He is not losing his health. Snack? No! Dang it. You know what? Let's get him. At least him. And boom. He's dead. He is here. Which one is he in now? A griffin that is a death button. Doing. You guys know how to play Fortnite, probably. Can you tell me how to drop weapons? How to run stuff? Is it shift and then run? Doing. And there goes my bot. Oh, actually, this one might be good against like Galahads or stuff. Because drain the physical shield with thunders and then killing him with magnums. I think that'll work better with punishers. Woo! First place. That's my older brother right there. Yay! Actually, I'm not showing you guys some shotgun videos. I'm sorry about last round. Let's go to random then. I can't respawn my bots, so I think free for all is better for showcasing. Team deathmatch. Let's go with the Griffin. I promised you to show. Seriously, the storm it looks weird. Oh, someone has sent it. We just got in here. We're just using I wonder what he is. Ohio! Hi there. Draining the shield. Draining that answer shield. Alright, I am so dead. Well, I got a kill though. Yay! I died. Seriously? 4 players right here. I'm gonna do it. That guy. He's a snack. Alright, now I know they have supplies. Jump. Do my best. I'm in. Then trying to get into cover. I'm gonna get the Gepard. I'm gonna get the Gepard. Like that. Alright, Orchid Mark 2 did the job. I'm out of here. Getting into cover. Woo! Nailed it! Got a dub kill and didn't lose barely any health. Seriously, now someone's targeting me. Spraying him with rockets, getting back in cover. Alright, killer! He really wants me. Is that a RDB? Seriously? You know how lame an RDB is. You know how weak that is? Alright, let's just smack him on the way. And then use the rest salvo on him. Let's have pinatas into the wall. I think that's not a good setup. Man, this thing's nailing it. Oh, we got a Nord come. Back up, we got back up. Seriously? A Punisher Cossack in Gold League 2. Seriously? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? A Punisher Cossack in the Gold League 2. Death Thunder. First fire. Oh! Godlike with the death button. Oh! You guys want to screenshot that for me and tweet it to me? I am running Twitter. The Twitter is just Lava Play. Not like at Lava Play. It's just Lava Play. I'm following some of my friends. My friends don't know I have Twitter. Just corner shoot him. Forgot what he was. Okay, he is a Pinata Thunder. That guy. Seriously. Norcom, you're a snack. Well, at least not that snack, but dang it. I got finally, my team's here. You guys are here just to snack my kills. You guys snack him. Yay. Should I scrap this ball or just and there goes Plasma. Alright, he's a Fusion. That's a free kill. Hey, what's up? I think you hydra'd me. There he goes. Into the world unknown. There goes his bot, deleted from the game, into the world unknown in the sky. Seriously? That's a free kill. He has Orchid. You really think you can outrange me with Hydra and Orchid? Seriously? Oh my gosh, how low health did he have? That's another positive. He's running away. He's reloading. He's jumping away now. I prefer not to use my jumps. That was totally my kill. Yeah, I think it's enough with the energy shield. Now he thinks, oh yay, it's my turn to bring out my Raijin. Someone has a plasma crystal. Yep, it's the perfect time to bring out a Raijin. Worst time for me. He actually isn't paying attention to me. And he's dead. Yay! And I'm not getting through that shield. Here comes a Leo. Right, that Raijin doesn't have much firepower, so that's what makes me able to kill him. If these ads aren't coming out. Oh! Double godlights. I need to edit this and put in the sunglass for my Griffin. Oh. Maybe the sunglass coming out, but I don't know how to do that editing. Jumping up, trying to steal the kill from my team. Impossible. Yep. Because he was in cover. I don't have rockets. Oh wait, someone's here. Let's at least snack him. Can you not give him cover? Yay. Nice one, 2 copper bills for blocking my shots to him. Nice one. We are 30 minutes in right now. I would like to show you guys more of the Griffin. Whoa. That's a lot of damage I did. Speed and might. I am not a fan of that bullshit. Let's go into free-for-all. Waiting to get in. Waiting. And waiting. And going in. As I promised of this video, let's use this guy. We have found our target. Drain the shield with the shotguns. Why is he not attacking us? Is he saying no? Is he saying no to me? You know what? He's not gonna attack me. Let's get him. Turn around. Kill him. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah! Alright, he is extremely close to us. That means our shotgun are gonna do a good job. Did they do a good job? Alright, I'm gonna edit the video. Dadgummit, he just got a kill! And I'm not letting him to be number 1 place. Jumping up! Ambush! Got him. Yeah. You're not allowed to be place 1. If you be place 1, that's what happens. Seriously? Dropping in cover like that. Then, where's the shotgun coming from? From him. From the hover. Ooh, I actually did a decent damage. Splashing him. Lol. Let's see how I nail it. Woo! I'm dead. Yep. Let's respawn this guy. That's a golem. Seriously? Bruh. This is a gold lead. Why are you using a golem? Alright, number 2 is coming with a Kumio. And he doesn't even know I'm here. Jump up. I know that's a golem. Hey, buddy. What's up, buddy? It's too late. Is that Kumio coming for me? It's gonna be around the corner. I'm seeing him. Come on, shotgun, 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 shotgun. Did I get him? I don't know if I got him or not. Dealing the first damage, which means I have a chance to be the one winning this fight. Jumping up, trying to make him miss his shots. Magnum. Magnumming him. What? Spawning in. I'm not lucky. No, that was supposed to be my kill. That is an absolute free kill for me. Draining the shield and dealing damage at the same time. Is he trying to reload? Worst timing. Worst timing, my friend. Worst timing. Walking around, making him miss his shots. He's not falling for it. Oh, he just missed a shot. And get wrecked. Thanks to the bulky part of the Leo, I was able to kill that new season. Seriously. In free for all. Draining his health. Dealing damage isn't always a bad thing in free for all. Because if you deal some damage to a bot, you might get gold in the first place after the game ends. Because just like Team Deathmatch, kills matter, damage matters. You get 5 gold if you deal the most damage throughout the round. No, he killed me? That's what happens. Alright, don't kill me. Seriously, an
I am so sorry for draining your health. I didn't mean any harm. I didn't mean any harm. I mean harm right now, though. Seriously, how hard can you corner shoot? Seriously. I'm stuck. You know what? I'm gonna walk in the shield. Cancel denied. Dealing damage to him because it always matters. I'm gonna cut the video. Oh, and by the way, guys, not to mention, the house owner gave us some free stuff in the refrigerator. He gave us some Hawaiian guava juice. Just guava, not passion orange guava. It's really good. In here, we have some Aloha Made. I think it's like the Made thingy in America. Passion orange. And then we have strawberry orange. We have Lily Koi Passion, and then strawberry orange. And then these toppings are snack. He actually gave us some free chips too. Yeah, that's kettle corn he gave us, and then we have some chocolate chips. This house owner actually gave us some really good stuff. So we are 37 minutes in. I'm gonna call it. Our video is gonna end right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I am so sorry I couldn't show you guys so much of this Griffin video. It was more like a Death Button Griffin, Death Button and Bloodmouth Griffin video. I am so sorry I couldn't show you guys this Griffin so much. All I have to say is just sorry, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys like the content, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for uploading content. If you guys like the content, you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Because you like the content, you want to see it more. Then you get notified if you hit the notification bell button. And then if you like the video, please hit that like button. And have a nice day, or have a nice night. Have a good night. Peace out. Bye bye.